Now we will be drafting the yoke of the denim pants. This is the back part of the denim pants. So from point B, we will go down 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. And we will mark this with a small letter A. Then, from the center back of the pants pattern, on point E, we will go down 2 1/4 inches or 5.5 centimeters. We will mark this with a small letter B. Then we will connect point A to point B with a straight line. This now will be our yoke pattern. The area of points big letter B to small letter A and big letter E to small letter B will be the yoke pattern. Now we will start drafting the back patch pocket. Now we will lay the tip of the tape measure on point small letter A to point small letter B, and we will get the midpoint or the center by folding the tape measure once, and we will mark this. This now will be the midpoint from small point A to small point B. And we will mark these points with a small letter C. Now from point small letter A, we will go down 1 1/4 inches or 3 centimeters. And we will mark this point small letter D. Okay, now from point big letter E, on the center back, we will go down 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters. We will mark this point small letter E. Okay, now we will connect small point letter D to small point letter E with a broken straight line. Okay. From point small c, square or draw a straight line from the slant line from the connecting points of small letter A and small letter B. And using a triangle ruler, following the line connecting the small point letter A and small letter B, we will go down until the line connecting points small letter D and small letter E. This intersecting point we will mark small letter F. Okay, now that we have this intersecting point, we will be drafting the patch pocket. For the medium figure, the standard measurement is 5 inches or 12.5 centimeters. And we will fold the tape measure once so that we can get 1/2 of the patch pocket width. And from point small f, we will go out towards the left and we will mark 1/2 of the patch pocket measurement. We will mark this point small letter G. Then we will move the tape measure from point F towards the right and also get the mark for 1/2 of the patch pocket measurement. We will mark this point small letter H. Now we will connect point small letter G and point small letter H with a straight line, following the line of the broken line. Okay. We will square using this from point small g, using this connecting line from point G to point H. We will go down 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters. 5.5 is from small point G up to here. Okay. So, we will mark this point small letter I. Then, from point small letter H, again, using this connecting line from small letter G to small letter H, we will go down 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters. And we will mark this point small letter J. Then we will connect point small letter I to small letter J with a straight line. This will be our patch pocket. Of course, you can make your own design. Like from point letter J, you can go up 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. And from point letter I, you can go up 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. And from there, we can get the center of the pocket by following the line of the pocket, squaring it, making a broken line to get the center here. And from here, we can actually connect these points this way. Or you can actually do your own design, okay? This way. But if the design is something like this, you have to cut the pattern, fold it in the middle so you get the same shape on this side. Either you trace it with the patch pocket folded. Okay? Now that we have the patch pocket, we can transfer this by tracing this patch pocket on a separate pattern paper.